जी, बी रेडी टू राइड द वेव।
Be ready to ride the wave. Of course, if you follow all these steps, there is a reasonable chance you may achieve your breakthrough. Then what? This is a question Leanne Scher in particular has grappled with. She wanted to be a writer, and while she is thrilled to get the chance, Tracy and I didn't have to pay dues, she says. She freely admits that the perfect Manhattan is not browsed. And while she doesn't want to be browsed, she doesn't want to be a flash in the pan either. ये भी एक idiom हो गया, but I'll have to check flash in the pan.
काफ़ी मतलब
She
इडियम
wants,
रिच लैंग्वेज है इनकी ओवरऑल।
हाँ,
तो
yes, yes,
उस सेंस में इट्स मतलब आई थिंक हिडन जेम है, ये अच्छी बुक निकली है। वी वर नॉट श्योर
yes,
श्योर कि इसमें इस तरह का लैंग्वेज होगा, लेकिन अच्छी बुक है ये।
yes. She wants to be taken seriously. So, after a flurry of publicity for The Perfect Manhattan and some follow on work, such as a non fiction book called Cocktail Therapy, prescribing a drink for every woo, she and Toomey have slowed down before crashing the market with other chick lit books. Scher's been spending some of her 168 hours working with established writers to hone her craft and figuring out ways to turn her early success into a slow burn career rather than one that flames out. This is worth keeping in mind. After the champagne goes flat, the balloons deflate and the confetti gets swept into the trash. You still have to get out of the bed the next morning. You still have to know what you want your 168 hours to look like. You will have to figure out how to spend your time as you are managing a $1 million company rather than a $100,000 company. Or after the Nobel Prize ceremony, or after you return home from living underwater for 2 weeks. So they're saying that having okay got all the publicity and everything, कुछ कॉन्सर्ट में चलेगा या कोई फंक्शन, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो इवेंट होता है जहाँ पे आपको प्राइज मिलता है, all that has happened. Still, after coming back, your 168 hours, you have to still plan out and what you want to do further ahead.
हम्म।
That last one, that last one was a major career breakthrough for Sylvia Earle, the ocean explorer we met in chapter 3. Back in 1970, she was chosen as one of the 50 scientists given the opportunity to live in underwater habitats dubbed the Tektite Hiltons amid the coral reefs of Lameshore Bay near the Virgin Islands. She led an all-female team. In 1970, the project directors thought a coed team would invite too much speculation. Coed team, okay. It's not clear anyone would have had much interest in shenanigans, though. After 21 hours in a decompression chamber, Earl was able to spend 336 hours underwater exploring the ocean, not just as passing through visitors, but as day to day residents. She wrote in Sea Change. She got to know specific barracudas and five gray and angelfish who every morning began their slow waltz around the mounds of coral, pausing now and then to nibble a bit of sponge or nose at a lump of algal debris. She loved the peacefulness of being underwater. She returned to the surface, though to media coverage resembling a shark feeding frenzy. She and her fellow female aquanauts were whisked to Chicago for a ticker tape parade and were invited to join Pat Nixon, not Richard, she notes, for a lunch at the White House. Okay, who is Richard Nixon? Somebody big. She was interviewed by Barbara Walters and Hugh Downs and wrote a piece of National Geographic about her experiences. She had to figure out what to do with the sudden fame. It quickly became apparent to me that it might be possible to bounce from the light and entertaining, such as whether she ate fish sticks underwater, to more serious topics, she wrote. And so she decided to use her platform to share what would turn out to her life's work, a message that the world's oceans were in deep trouble, dangerously depleted, and needed to be saved. Only you can answer what you will do to ride the wave of your breakthroughs, though I can offer one suggestion. Take at least a few minutes every week to be grateful. All speaks with awe of what she has been able to do. It just gets better, she told me in 2009, nearly 40 years after that big break under the sea. I try to write my gratitude for my smaller victories in my journal sometimes. Psychologists find that we tend to revert to our previous happiness levels within a few months of major events. While that's comforting in the case of a divorce or amputation, it is not so great if the event was good. Things that were once uncertain seem, in retrospect, to be inevitable. You can choose, however, to rekindle some of the joy you felt after winning the promotion or landing that record deal. Simply remind yourself of where you once were and where you are now, and the gulf between them, that's as wide as the ocean blue.
हम्म। काफ़ी कुछ है, मतलब हर एक चैप्टर में सीखने को, लैंग्वेज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी और भी प्रोसेसिंग करने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी। तो इसमें किसी को कुछ ऐड करना है? तो कैसे इसको हम 1 or 2 लाइंस में समराइज कर सकते हैं? बी रेडी टू राइड द वेव।
मतलब इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन टाइम थिंग, वन टाइम इवेंट या ऐसा कुछ हो गया आपने कुछ अचीव करना था। बी रेडी टू बी ऑन द वेव्स, मतलब अभी नेक्स्ट प्लान
जैसे
आउट
उसको
एंड देन।
लेवरेज भी करना है उस सक्सेस को। अदरवाइज क्या होता है ना, जैसे लोग कौन बनेंगे करोड़पति में, लोग करोड़पति तो बन जाते हैं ओवरनाइट, लेकिन अधिकतर केसेस में ऐसा पाया गया है, डॉक्यूमेंटेड, कि आफ्टर 1 or 2 years दे आर अगेन ब्रोक, बिकॉज दे कुड नॉट राइड द वेव।
पुराने पैटर्न्स वापस
हाँ।
वैसे ही।
हाँ, क्योंकि वो उस तरह से डिजर्व नहीं करते थे, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो सच में अर्न वैसे नहीं किया। ओके, तो
अ,
जी।
जैसे इसमें कहते हमारे आसपास का एटमॉस्फेयर या हम हमारी जो कम्युनिटी है वो भी इफेक्ट करता है। जैसे कि हम किसी रास्ते को चुनते हैं और लंबा सफर तय नहीं कर पाते हैं, अच्छी रास्ते पे मंजिल पे पहुंच नहीं पाते हैं, बीच में एकदम साथ छोड़ देते हैं कि अब हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा। तो ऐसा भी है क्या, कम्युनिटी या हमारे
बहुत ज़्यादा,
आसपास
आई
का
थिंक ये
एटमॉस्फेयर?
बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा फैक्टर है। क्योंकि वी आर द, कहते हैं ना, यू आर द एवरेज ऑफ 5 people अराउंड यू। आपके आसपास जैसे लोग हैं वैसे ही आप सोचने लगते हो, वैसे ही आप करने लगते हो। आपके ड्रीम्स, एस्पिरेशन, हैबिट्स, सब कुछ वैसे ही हो जाते हैं।
जी।
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे चलते हैं, लास्ट 1.5 पेज है ओनली ये।